Oh my god, I made a huge mess. Look at the mess I made. Oh my god, there's plastic everywhere. Wow. Okay. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing. I am so excited to have one of these. I bought a stand-up paddleboard for myself for camping. It's a little Christmas gift to myself because I'm so excited to go camping, and I saw where a whole family was using a stand-up paddleboard, and I was so excited. I decided to, they asked me if I wanted to try it out, and I tried it out and I loved it. And yeah, I decided to buy my own because I go camping up at Lake Havasu all the time. It's a beautiful lake up there. So let's do an unboxing. This is supposed to fit inside of a backpack that you can carry with you, but look at how big this is. I mean, seriously? So I had to push the camera back. We will see how this all turns out. Let's see if we can get everything out of here. So let's see. The first thing that I have, it looks like this is a repair kit. It's in a giant orange cone here. It has this tool. I'm not too sure what this is for. Open, close. And it looks like it has some sticky papers in here that you can use in order to repair the stand-up paddleboard. I'm not too sure what this is at all, honestly. This has open, close, and it's got little teeth on it. I'll have to show you up close in a little bit, but it comes in this giant orange cone. Looks like you might be able to fit it on the stand-up paddleboard itself. A lot of the stuff, you guys, honestly, I'm not too sure if I'm going to recognize it or know what it is, so you'll just have to bear with me on this one, okay? So for this one, I'm not too sure what this is. It says 10 feet on it. It looks like it's an ankle. So it attaches you to the stand-up paddleboard. So this stand-up paddleboard that I bought is by SereneLife. I'll post the link and I'll let you guys know which is the one that I bought exactly, so you can take a look at it. Again, not a sponsor. I didn't get any discount or anything for this. I paid the full price, which was, I think it was like $350. So it's not expensive. You know, I mean, stand-up paddleboards I've seen, especially at Costco, go for like $800, $900. I didn't want to buy one of those in case I didn't like using it, or in case I looked goofy, or in case I didn't like it or whatever. So I just bought a cheaper one, right? So for $350, I picked this up off of Amazon right around Black Friday. So it looks like it comes with this little paper box, which, like I was talking about, is the ankle guard, whatever you want to call it. So it looks like you attach one end to the stand-up paddleboard, this end probably, and this end goes around your ankle. And this goes 10 feet, so it allows you to be on the stand-up paddleboard but still be firmly attached to it, which I highly recommend, especially if you're going out on a lake. And then it looks like here's the paddle. The paddle. I'm not too sure if I'm going to put this together right now. I may save that for another video, or try and put it together, not here in this room, but I may take it outside somewhere to put it together. Here's the paddleboard. Here's the paddle stick, I should say. Paddle stick, excuse me. Not a paddle stick. What's wrong with me? Wow. It's the stand-up paddle for the paddleboard. Looks like this is wrapped in foam. Let's go ahead and open this. Very cool. Very nice too. This looks like it was packaged very nicely, I see on the inside here. I wish I could show you, but it's hard to see in there anyways, so, Here we go. Okay, so there's that. And it looks like it comes with yet another. So this is like a 3-part stick. This is a tall one. And I guess that makes sense if you want to, if you're trying to reach the water standing up, it's a long way down, for tall people especially. Maybe not for me, but, So it looks like this is a retractable paddle, so you can retract it and do different sizes with it. I'm not too sure how this fits in here, actually. Ah, here we go. Okay, so that locks into place like that. And then you can retract it like so. Gotcha. So this is the paddle. Whoops. That's what the paddle looks like. That makes sense. There's that. I was hoping to do this in like a minute, but my goodness. Look at all these things that it comes with. This is unbelievable. It's like Christmas. So stand-up paddleboards usually, they don't have a rudder, right? So they have, you know, these type of like plasticky rudders on the bottom. So this is probably an extra rudder. I assume this paddleboard already has it on there. Here is the pump, I believe. Hard to tell, again. I believe it's the pump in order to pump up the paddleboard because it's a blow-up paddleboard. So, and that's what I liked about it, you know, that it was portable, that you could easily take it with me, especially on my camping trips. So it looks like this is the pump in order to pump it up. And I guess I was reading where stand-up paddleboards are notoriously difficult to pump up, right? It gets really hard and stiff the closer you get, the farther you get along. So we'll have to see how that works. And then it looks like this giant bag is the paddleboard itself. I'm gonna move this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is supposed to be the backpack that has all the, that has the paddleboard itself. But look at how big this is. This isn't a portable backpack. Here, look. Yeah, strap this on your shoulders, throw this on your back, and take this with you, huh? Come on now, SereneLife. This thing is huge. I do appreciate the bag, however. Very nice bag to keep it in. All right, and it does look like it's wound up tighter than a drum in here. So, and then here's the paddleboard itself. So, just like the blow-up paddleboards, you know, it looks like it has a cinch strap around it so that you can blow it up at your will. And it becomes portable, right? You can fit everything inside of it. Let's take off all this plastic. Wow, it's a lot of plastic. Boy, they shouldn't package this nice. Do you guys see all this? This is packaged super nice. Oh my goodness gracious me. This is so hard to unbox. What on earth? This thing is heavy. I don't know if you see me struggling with this. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm so weak. Wow, this is hard to unbox. Okay, so it does look like it comes with an extra one. It looks like it comes with the one that snaps into place like so. I think it snaps into place like so, actually. Wait, check. Yes, it snaps into place like this. Then you screw this down probably in order to snap it. So this is the main fin. And I bought the blue one, you know. Okay, and it looks like that screws into place in order to keep the fin stabilizer in place. So you get all that. Whew. Wow, that's a workout. Holy cow. And then it does appear to come with this. Here's the cinch strap I was telling you about to keep it all in place. And then if we unravel it a tiny bit, I don't know how much on camera you can see of this. Oh my goodness. But it looks like it's got the grip on the top, which is what I was wanting and what I was liking a whole lot. More plastic. They sure do a really good job. Oh, and this is like made out of like pool foam, it feels like, you know, so. And then it looks like you pump it up back here. Maximum recommended pressure, 15 PSI equals 1 bar. And the 1 bar thing is probably on this. So it tells you when to pump it up. Here's the bar. So it says 2. Oh, 1 bar. So that's, so 1 bar and 2 bar is 30 PSI-ish. So you just want to pump it up to the 1 bar, and it shows you in PSI and in bars on there. I'm not too sure what a bar is, but whatever. So, assuming that, it looks like it's got the plug here. I don't know if you can see that. And you just plug this in when you're done pumping it up, and away you go. So this is exciting. I am so excited to use this, you guys. For real. Oh my god, it's huge. Oh, look at all this plastic. Gee whiz. Okay, SereneLife, we get it, okay? You guys do a great job packaging your stuff. I appreciate it. It seems like this is very good quality board. I'll have to let you know. You know, obviously it's very clear I cannot pump this up in here. It's too big. This thing is way too big, but I'm gonna go camping in April, so when you guys come along with me, I will pump it up there and I'll show you how it all works. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. SereneLife, not a sponsor, but it looks like this is a great stand-up paddleboard. So if you're in the market looking for one of these things, highly recommend so far. As you can see, it comes with all types of goodies inside that box. My goodness gracious. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see ya in the next video.